In this video, we will go over how to upload and manage terms and conditions, as well as partners, users' acceptance of those terms and conditions. Terms and conditions can be set at the offer level or at the network level. We will focus on the network level in this video. When you navigate to the Control Center, Partner Configurations, and select the Terms and Conditions tab. This card provides an overview including whether the terms and conditions are enforced, what they are, when the last time they were modified, and which partners and partner users have agreed to the terms. You can revoke all approvals by selecting the 3 vertical dots on the top right corner. Or you can click on the 3 vertical dots on each partner user acceptance to view the terms and conditions they accepted or revoke the individual's approval by clicking Request Approval. Now let's move on to Edit. Edit is where you can insert or update your terms and conditions. It can be in plain text or HTML format. Scrolling to the bottom, you will see a Require Approval checkbox. Enabling this feature will display your terms and conditions on the partner signup page and the partner login. Partners will only be required to accept once. When you are finished, click Save to apply the changes. You can now update and manage network level terms and conditions and modify partner approval.